Seen it time and time again. Answers blowing in the wind like a satellite that's circling. We get lost in the great divide. Rains, it pours and it burns and shines. Truth can hide behind your eyes like a long lost friend or an alibi. In the end is where we start. We're stars. Shine a light on all that's hidden. Strike a match to what's forgiven. Do the best with what we're given. Come on now, amen, let's live in love is where we start. We're stars. And the light shines where we are. We're stars. Shines where we are. We're stars.
Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well and having a wonderful September so far. I have a really fun, cozy day planned and I'm so excited to take you along with me. It's a little chilly out today, so I'm wearing my new fall sweater that I made last week, and I've also been working on a few new fall recipes that are so comforting and so good, and I can't wait to share them with you in this video. But before we get started, I have an announcement. So for the past few months, I've been working behind the scenes, designing and making and testing jewelry, and I've been keeping it a secret because I wanted to make sure that I had a product that I really loved before I shared it with all of you, and I'm so excited because I finally do. I have two different designs of vintage inspired gemstone earrings, all handmade by me, and they're up in my shop right now. First we have the autumn moon earrings. These are the earrings I'm wearing right now, and they're made with a mix of gemstones like labradorite, jade, and garnet. I've always felt like there's something so mystical and enchanting about the moon during the fall, and I wanted to create a pair of earrings that reminded me of that magic. Next, we have the autumn drop earrings. For this design, I wanted to make something a bit more minimal and delicate that still felt really whimsical and autumnal. So if you'd like to buy either of these earrings, I will leave the link to my shop in the description. Thank you so much for your support. And also, if you are a member of our Patreon community, just make sure you log into Patreon and grab your discount code as a thank you before you check out. As time goes on, I will definitely add more products to my shop and more seasonal launches. But in the meantime, I hope you love the autumn collection, and thank you so much for supporting my shop and my YouTube channel. So I've had a pretty busy week and I just feel like spending the rest of the day relaxing, maybe listening to an audiobook and doing some crochet. And I found a pattern online that looks really fun and really simple, so I'm gonna work on that this afternoon. But first I'm going to run to the yarn shop and see if they have any new yarn for fall. So if you haven't already, go make yourself something nice and cozy to drink and let's get started.
Just where it was needed, clean and black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life, just what it was needed, clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time.
I'm all done with my hat and I love it. I wasn't expecting to finish this today, but I put on my audiobook and I was really enjoying it, and the tutorial was super easy to follow and just lots of fun to make. It actually worked up pretty quickly, especially with this Lions brand Woolies yarn. I love this yarn so much. It's gorgeous, it's really soft, and it's really easy to work with for beginners because there's a lot of stitch definition, which means that you can see the stitches that you're working into. So I'm so excited now I have a hat that I can wear for the rest of the season. I'm getting a little hungry, so Alex and I are going to make dinner soon. It's pretty chilly outside tonight and we were just feeling like staying in and getting cozy. So we're going to make an autumn harvest pizza, which I'm so excited to share with you. And then we're gonna have a nice cozy movie night. my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun getting to do all of the things I love, make yummy food and do cozy hobbies and get to share them with you all. I also wanted to thank you so much for the amazing support that you've given me over the past few weeks. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you for being a part of our community. And I also wanted to say a very special thank you to my patrons. Because of all of you, I'm able to do what I love, and I just simply can't thank you enough for all of that. This has been a dream come true for me to have a YouTube channel and now a shop too. And if you're watching right now, you have helped to make that a reality. So thank you so, so much. And if you end up getting anything from the shop, I hope you love these earrings. I put so much time and love into designing these and creating these, and I just hope you love them as much as I do. Thanks again for watching, friends, and I will see you next time.